Moving for a new job and need to sell your house quickly? We can help. Hi, I'm Mark, a local real estate investor dedicated to making your job relocation as seamless as possible by buying your house fast. Job relocation is a major life event filled with both excitement and challenges. One of the biggest stressors is selling your current home. The traditional selling process can be lengthy and unpredictable, and the last thing you need when you're focused on starting a new job is the added pressure of a drawn-out home sale. That's where I come in. I specialize in buying homes from homeowners who are relocating for work, offering quick and fair cash offers, often more than other investors. Here's what you can expect. Quick process. We understand that time is of the essence. From offer to closing, we can complete the sale in as little as a week. No repairs needed. Sell your home as is. You don't have to worry about costly repairs or upgrades. No commissions. Save money on realtor fees and commissions. We handle everything directly. Peace of mind. Focus on your new job and new home while we take care of the details. Here is how it works. 1. You give us a little data. Fill out the form provided on our website at equityinvestmentsllc.com/seller-home. 2. We will contact you. We'll reach out to discuss your situation and your home. 3. We make an appointment. We'll set up a time to go over the details in person. 4. You get paid. If you like the deal, you get the cash at closing. Don't let the stress of selling your home weigh you down during your job relocation. Contact me today for a free, no-obligation consultation. Let's turn your job relocation into a smooth transition with a fast and hassle-free home sale. Ready to get started? Give me a call at 720-502-8999 or visit our website at www.equityinvestmentsllc.com. We look forward to helping you make your move as easy as possible. Thanks for watching, and here's to a bright future. For even more tips, tricks, and valuable insights, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest updates. Head over to our website for a collection of resources to guide you through this stressful time. Thanks again for watching. Be sure to check out this other great video that I picked out just for you.